Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of the video, guys. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together through the volatility of the market. And while we're holding our positions or our portfolios are building, we're consistently looking for opportunities daily, 5 to 10% on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a great day, and 20% plus is a home run. And I managed to find a 20% plus opportunity at its highest point, as well as 40% plus at its highest point today over at the Discord. So that's something you want to become part of and you want to know what stocks I watch, the link is down below. So here we are with AMC Entertainment Holdings, AMC Inc., AMC Stock. So AMC Stock, we all know that it's pulling back downwards. I'm going to kind of just jump straight into this, make it brief as quick as possible, because right now it's more important support levels than resistance levels, because resistance levels can be broken if this squeezes, right? A lot of investors are stating this hasn't squeezed. It's pulling downwards because of a lot of volatility in the market. A lot of investors are actually giving up or actually just profit taking, or it just continues to get shorted at these levels. That's like one of the biggest things right now going on, because every single short can add to their shorts at these levels and actually continuing to pile up to those positions, making a squeeze even larger. Now, a lot of investors, apes, and different analysis and experts were stating that a pullback was bound to happen, and in this pullback, opportunities were going to be formed to buy, quote unquote, the dip. Now the question is how big this dip could be. So the support levels I'm watching right now, since this was the lowest point reached, was $31, and then the next one is down here at $25. I'm just going to round it up. It says $24.55. $25 is really what I'm watching and looking at those levels between that area to see if there's consolidation. But if it doesn't break through $31, then there is some strength here, and this is going to possibly stay within this channel, which is from 31 all the way to the highs here of 39, nearly $40, and see if the next catalyst can just take it up to newer highs and new resistance levels. So showing that strength and staying within that channel will be a big indicator that the apes and bulls are in control of showing some type of strength, guys. But if this just passes right through 31, goes to 24, 25, and starts falling below 25 in the $20 range, this is going into further weakness, making either the possibility of a squeeze even larger or actually losing some of its fire. Now, a lot of apes and bulls believe this can turn around from here. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, how you feel about it. What do you think? Do you think it's over? Do you think the squeeze already happened? A lot of people are saying, oh, the squeeze already happened, that it already, did what it was going to do. The offering was already taken care of. It hurt the momentum. And then there was just a lot of speculation and hype here, and we're falling. And others are saying this is the biggest opportunity ever to buy the dip or add to their positions or buy again and ride it back up. So I look forward to seeing what side of the story you're on, what type of mentality you are in this. Are you the ape? Are you the bull? Or do you just think overall this is turning bearish? Thank you guys so much for watching, and all I ask for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. Stay tuned. So the ticker symbol I want to share with you guys today is one that I've talked about before here on the YouTube, and we talked about it when it was in the 11s, the 12s, and it shot up, giving us a 10 to 30% plus opportunity since we first talked about it. Now it's currently pulling back, and I want to share with you guys my opinions on it and how I feel about it moving forward. But before we look at that chart and how it's becoming an opportunity, I want to share with you guys today's opportunities that I mentioned over at the Discord. I managed to find 2 home run opportunities of 20% plus at their highest point. One of them was 40% plus. And if that's something you want to become part of and you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. We look forward to having you join us. So we have LIZI, we talked about AEHR, and GLG. Now, LIZI turned out to be our worst performer of the day, giving us 5 to 10% jumps, but our home runs of the day were 20% plus at their highest points. The first one was AEHR, reached a highest point of 20% plus, and then we talked about GLG. This gave us 10% plus in the pre-market, pulled back and took off to a highest point of 40% plus. What a phenomenal day to end the week, as well as through the volatility of the market, actually looking red. My portfolio wasn't looking so great, but that's why I trade daily, looking for momentum and opportunities every single day, no matter what the stock market throws at us. And that's what we go ahead and look at together over at the Discord. And that's something you can become part of too. Check it out. The link is down below, and we look forward to having you join us. So what's the stock you want to add to your watch list? What is the ticker symbol that I've talked about since it was in the 11th? Well, that ticker symbol is F, guys. Ford Motors. Now, this is a ticker symbol that I talked about when the overreaction of earnings, it pulled down, started to pull up, and when it pulled back down, it was looking like a great opportunity, and it started to run. When it hit the 1250s and pulled back to the high 11s and low 12s, I reiterated on it, and I believe I talked about it again here at the $13 or $14 mark. But in those times, I was emphasizing how there was opportunity. Then the F Ford 150, Lightning comes out, and that made a even larger catalyst, making this run all the way up to 1650, and from the 11s to 1650, this gave a 30% all the way up to 45% plus opportunity, guys. Now the stock is pulling back. Now we're currently pulling back on the S&P 500 index. If this is a correction, the opportunity is huge. If this is a crash, no one knows the bottom, right? So this is why this is the time to start watching it, paying close attention to it. Pay close attention to the S&P 500 because this is part of it, as well as it's a blue chip stock. It's not just any stock. It's a slow moving stock. There's nothing crazy or exciting about it, but there's opportunity in it, guys, as you could see there. So this ticker symbol pulling back after all their innovation with the F-150 Lightning, the EMAC, right, which is a slash sports SUV electric vehicle. They brought back the Bronco, the Maverick. If sales go well, they're going to turn those into EV cars and vehicles as well. So there's a lot of expansion, innovation going on. This is not your typical Ford anymore, if not a Ford that's moving forward, guys, and moving along with the demand of innovation and tech and technology moving forward. So I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, how you feel about this. This is definitely one to watch, not rush into. Look for consolidation or for a jump and then a big pullback again. And maybe on that pullback, it can start getting closer to its bottom, or if not, a double bottom nearly how it happened here, right? This was the bottom, jumped up, pulled back down close to those lows, and then it took off from there. Not saying it's going to be exactly the same, but it's going to be really hard to tell. But there's nothing better than to be watching a stock early and preparing for it than to sit around and find out about it when it's running. And it's not that it's too late, but the opportunity of maximizing the opportunity is not there anymore, right? So it's all about timing and execution, preparation, and this is definitely a stock I believe has room to the upside, and analysis price targets are upgrading and actually higher every single time, and things are looking pretty good to the upside for this stock because of the position that it's in and the demand, guys. I look forward to seeing your thoughts once again down below, how you feel about this stock. Have you traded this stock? What do you think about it? And what do you even think about this pullback here with the S&P 500 index? Correction or crash? That'll be interesting to see your thoughts down below. If you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you can join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. And thank you guys so much for watching. This is not financial advice. I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold any positions of the stocks I mentioned. If not, I'm here to enlighten you guys on why I watch certain stocks and what I like about them and share my opinions. As always, let's make some money.